That is where we're headed to, right there. See you at the trailhead. We made it to the trailhead. It is windy and cold out right now. I think it's in the 30s. I don't know what the wind mile per hour is, but I think we will warm up once we start, hiking. We're locked up, and the trail is just right here. Okay, I just started on my phone. It's a little windy, and it's very uphill. We have about 5.7 miles to go. Well, 5.7 out and back. This hike is so steep. But we just went up 73 feet, and there's still more. Like 3,000 feet elevation gain to get up over on top of there. This is gonna kick my butt. I'm dying. Found a bench. Guess I'm not that high up. Barbell cookies and cream. These are probably my favorite protein bar I've ever had. I love them. That was good. Ah. So yeah, apparently we took a wrong turn. So I just checked, and this trail right here will still lead me to the main trail it's supposed to be. We made it up to where I was supposed to be, this trail, but went a little farther on that side and ended up taking this trail over. And we are getting higher and higher. I think, let me check. We've gone 0.9 of a mile and gone up 450 feet. I've never done this hike before, but I've always knew growing up it's here. I just didn't know how steep it was. And it is steep. Good views though. The hoodie is coming off. It's getting a little too warm. That's a lot better. This is tough. Looks like a little bigger than deer. I don't know. I don't know my droppings. You could say that I don't know. It's so much steeper than I thought it would be.
Hi, camera.
Hello. Say hello. Walking up here, I heard some wood clashing together. Could have been just the wind. Maybe an animal. Or maybe a tree fell down in the forest when only I was around. And in fact, it did make a noise. We're probably halfway to the top. Gonna have a delicious breakfast, but it's gonna be more of a brunch. But we're making croissant, sausage, egg, and cheese sandwiches. I brought enough for 2 of them. I hope they're good. They will be. Hiking up this far just to have food. Any food would be good. It's tough. It's tough walking up here. I mean, I probably brought too many things. I definitely did. Well, we ran into kind of a roadblock. Ooh. I might call that number.
Thank you for calling Mountain States Properties. Michaela with Mountain States, how can I help you?
Hi, Michaela. I was just wondering about I'm hiking up to a trail and I just saw there was a gate. It said no trespassing and for access, call this number.
Let me transfer you really quick.
Okay, thank you so much. Just got hung up on. I'll try them once more. Well, I am not trying to get prosecuted by anybody, according to this sign. So I think I will just, make food right up here. Unfortunately, that blows. But hey, what are you gonna do? It sucks the trail goes through it though, for just like the smallest amount. I tried calling them. Called once. They said they were gonna transfer me and then hung up, and then called again and no answer. So yeah, there you go. Got a pan. Okay, my chair. We got our stove and the spatula. Oh. It's nice up here though. It's quiet. I forgot the most important thing about the stove. Fuel. Oh, and as I said, the menu for today is croissant, sausage, egg, and cheese sandwiches, which I am quite excited for. So we got all the things we need to cook. The egg survived yet again, another trip. I have my sausage patties, my cheese, and the croissants they're a little smushed. They're just a tiny smushed, but they should be fine. I hope I didn't forget my knife. Anyways, I say we get the sausage going first. Let those cook for just a tiny bit more. Reckon those things are just about done. I think these things are looking pretty done. I'm gonna take them off and then throw in the eggs. Those look so good. I am so excited for this. I'm gonna let those eggs cook for a little bit longer. In the meantime, I'm gonna try to cut open these croissants. I have a spoon. Let's try it out. Oof, that is tough. It's working though. Well, I think that's the best that's gonna be. Alright, that's the best that one's gonna get to. These eggs are looking, oh, scrumptious. Let's see if I can do a flip. Skilled. Absolutely skilled. Got the cheese, the eggs. I'm gonna throw in these sausages just to warm them up a little bit more. Those all look done. I'm gonna set them all to the side. Now comes the best part. the croissant. Should brown pretty nicely. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. That looks so tasty. I reckon that's done. Throw this one on while I prepare the first one. Gonna add a couple sausages on this one. Let's get a nice looking egg. Throw that right on top. And then we'll close it up. Oh. Just look at that thing. Oh my gosh. This one should be ready too. Yeah. That one's ready. So we'll do the same. Throw this one right here. Try not to melt that plastic. These things smell so good. Let me toast you up a little bit. Oh my gosh. All right. Let's see how they are. Cheers. Oh my gosh. These things are incredible. Absolute insane. That's really good. I was definitely down. I couldn't go any further on the trail, but this just made it all better. And I have 2 of them. I think I'll probably just relax for a bit though. Sour squirmers. Well, that was delicious. That was a nice little spot to make a little bit of breakfast. Lunch. I don't even know what time it is. Holy, we are up so high. Those Croissantwiches were top tier. Smells super floral right now. I don't know why. Probably because it's springtime. It's warming up pretty quick with the sun coming out and the wind stopping. It's getting pretty warm. I thought I wasn't going to be needing any brakes coming downhill, but my quads are getting absolutely shredded right now. We made it to flat ground. It feels heavenly, to say the least. We got 2 ways to go. One of them was the route I took before when I missed my turn. This one, less steep. Or this one gets me down quicker, but is more steep. I think I'll take the more steep one. And I'm dying. I should have picked the less steep one. We're probably like half a mile away from the car. And all I can think about is sliding into Crocs. And I can't wait. Well, we're at the end of the trail. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. I very much appreciate it. Anyways, I don't know what I'm gonna do next, but I should be posting in the 2 weeks from when I post this one. So I'll see you then. Peace. Oh my gosh. That's life-changing. Nothing feels greater than putting on your Crocs after walking or hiking a lot in tight shoes. Yep.